Today we're going to run the pipe and get the filter all situated and plumbed in so the electrician can come do his work tomorrow, and then concrete next week. So I'll just show you what we're doing. This is where the filter used to be, under the house. So we're moving it to the other side of the house.
We discovered during the show a couple hours ago that Santi literally has reported blockers in his braille.
Filter's going to be going over here. We're running new plumbing lines over to the returns. So you get 2 returns and then the skimmer line over here, all new plumbing. So complete renovation of the filter system.
That's David's. Oh, I see. It's like a science to this, right?
I think we know what we're doing.